I was a graduate in the midst of the 2008 global recession and found myself job seeking in very challenging circumstances. And I saw the job opening at Nacro for a helpline officer, and I remembered I had learnt about Nacro during my studies as one of the leading voluntary sector organisations working in the criminal justice space, which was the industry I was particularly interested in. So I'd been in the helpline officer role for less than a year when the government cut funding for that service, and very quickly I was thrown into a world of business development, trying to diversify income streams to the service to keep it sustained. It was something that we did manage to do, and it's, when I look back, actually one of my proudest achievements at Nacro is being part of helping to sustain a service that continues to support around 14,000 people each year. I then moved into a role where I was doing much more consultation with organisations, trying to create opportunities for people with criminal records to access employment and education. I moved from that into service management, and now I have helped to mobilise and currently oversee Nacro's justice contracts. When I think about my time at Nacro, I think quite often being in roles where I feel really pushed out of my comfort zone, and I think that's why I'm still here, honestly. It's really important to me to be in a role that's challenging. Anytime I hear from the people we support how the support has impacted them in a positive way, it makes me feel so proud. And the friends in particular that I've made along the way, it's really motivating to come to work alongside people who share your values. My hopes for Nacro over the next 60 years is that more people who've been through our service provision continue to kind of influence and design the services and the support that we provide, and that more of them become leaders within the organisation. Voluntary sector organisations feel like they're very overstretched. So I think the challenge for Nacro is how we as an organisation can adapt in such a way that we continue to meet the needs of the people who can really benefit from our support. If I was to sum up Nacro in one word, I would say Nacro is adaptable.